Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Chrome account in just a few seconds. This is a simple but really useful step if you want to switch users, protect your privacy, or make sure you're not staying signed in on a shared computer. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see your profile picture or account icon there. This is the Chrome profile menu, and it's where all of your account options are stored. Go ahead and click your profile picture or icon. When the menu opens, look for the sign out option. In some cases, it may say sign out, or you may see the account name with a sign out button nearby. Click sign out to remove your Google account from the Chrome session. If you have multiple profiles, make sure you're signing out of the correct one before you continue. After you click sign out, Chrome will disconnect that account from the current browser profile, and you'll no longer be actively signed in on that device. If you need to, you can always sign back in later by opening the profile menu again and choosing to sign in. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of your Chrome account. Quick, easy, and done in just a moment. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful Chrome tip.